Hi guys, we're going to the Studiekeuzebeurs and the buitenlandbeurs, and we have to have tickets. And for me, in order to be able to print those tickets, you have to sign up for it. What you do, you go to the website of school, haarlemmermeelyceen.nl. You go to leerlingen en ouders. You go to loopbaanoriëntatie en beroep. And you click on the class you're in, HAVO 4 or VWO 4. And you find the event that we're going to, which is Studiekeuzebeurs midden. You can find here all the information you need, and the letter will be here embedded as well. But what you need to do is you have to sign up. You click here on registration website, registratiewebsite, and then you sign up. You're a student. You sign up with all the things you want to do. You need to write down, like your sex, your name, and your email address. You can also use, if you don't want to use your private address, you can use your school address. Make sure you sign up for 11 till 1 o'clock. Fill in your address. If you don't want to fill in your own address, fill in the address of school. And your mentor has the dean code, the decaan code. And it's also been written in the letter that's been sent to your parents. Do write that down here, otherwise I won't have your ticket. So it's really important that you write down the right code, and it starts with an S. The only thing I will tell you for now. Tell me your education, so either you're in HAVO 4 or in VWO 4, and just let them know which profile you're in. That's it. You can click on these if you like. If you don't like to do that, that's fine as well. And then you just click on schrijf mij in voor de Studiekeuzebeurs midden. And then me, as a student counselor, I can actually see if I have your tickets. If you won't have your tickets, I'm going to be a pain in the ass for you. So make sure you fix this with the decaan code. Good luck!
That's all, folks.